and I wish also that you all are in good health. So again I am welcoming you all on our e-learning session of class 11th. In our stream we are doing our sociology, and I hope that your concepts are now clear what we have discussed in the previous lecture. As you know, today we are on lecture number 7. So dear girls, we have started our chapter number 2, that is the fundamental concepts of sociology. So we are on chapter number 2, that is chapter number 2 is fundamental concepts of sociology. As we know, sociology is also science. So whenever we talk about the science, in science we have to follow certain rules, regulation. There is certain terminology also. So to understand any particular subject, we need to go through with the concepts. So as sociology is also social science, so to understand sociology nicely, we have to clear with basic concept of the sociology. The words, the concepts what we are used in routine or in the sociology. So first we have to clear that concepts. So we have started with a few terms in the previous lecture. That is the first point or the term what we have understood, that is the society. What is a society? As we know, sociology is a study of society. So we discuss what is a society. So we know that in the society, in general we use the word society in numbers of ways. But in sociology, the word society has its precise meaning. A particular uska ek meaning hai. What is a sociology? So society is a comprehensive, extensive concept. In sociology, it's a very comprehensive and extensive meaning. So what is the meaning of the society according to the sociology concepts? It's a, we can say, self-dependent group of human beings living in a certain geographical area, where the certain group of the people who lived in the certain area, geographical area, that what we consider as the society. That's what we have discussed. Even we discussed that about the human society, and we know that it is not so that there is only human society. Even animal, birds, insects, also they are having their society. In society we are following certain rules, regulations. Whatever the behave, what we do, हम जो सीखते हैं, हम जो करते हैं, we are learning from our society. So features of the society also we have discussed, that the social relation, there will be the social relation. That is the first feature of the society. Without social relation, society can't be, we can't say that there is a society. And there is a relationship between the person to person, person to group, group to group. That is the main feature of the society. Then comes the similarity and dissimilarity. In certain particular group member have the certain similarity as well as few dissimilarity. So similarity and dissimilarity is also important feature of sociology. Then different groups and subgroups. This is also important feature of society. In every society there are particular groups and subgroups. Our entire society as divided, it's divided into certain groups as well as in the subgroups. Then the social control, very important aspect, feature of the society. So each society has a normative system or a set of manner, we can say, that suggests its member how to behave in the different situation. There are certain norms, rules and regulation that has to be followed by all society member according to the situation. Then the continuity is another important feature of the society, and the change obviously. Then another point, the word after society, we discuss about the community. What is a community? We know community means samudaya. We are a part of particular community. It can be based on caste, religion, educational institute, or those who are having the same interest. They group, they form the community. So as we know, early human, when he was hunter-gatherer, early human was a hunter-gatherer, early man. Even they started settlement, they started the settled life, and at that time they started to live in the group, in the community. So from primitive life, they started to live in the group. In group में रहने से, community रहने से certain benefits है. So early human also started to live in the community. Even MacIver and the page says when the member of any small or big group reside at one place, MacIver और Page ने community का क्या definition दिया है? See, it's a group of reside at one place and try to satisfy. Why they are residing at one place? एक जगह पे वो क्यों रह रहे हैं? Try to satisfy most of their needs or interest. एक ग्रुप में कौन रहता है? जिनके एक जैसे शौक है, आदतें हैं, बिलीफ है. They only live in the same group, so they try to satisfy most of their needs or interests. That is what we can say community. So that is the local group is known as community, and that group is known as the community. Then we discuss about the social groups. So what is the social groups? As we know, early human when he lives, they lives as a hunter-gatherer, and after when they started to learn how to grow the crops, even with the uses of fire, they started to settle a particular life, and they then started to live in the group. Even early human was hunter-gatherer, so they hunt the animal also in a group. So we can say early human also lives in a group. So and there are various type of groups: social groups, political groups, religious group. There are the different types of groups. So in brief, person who are conscious or being similar among them, who interest with each other to achieve collective aim. The persons who are in such a group, they are having the collective aim. एक जैसे उद्देश्य होते हैं उनके, collective aim होते हैं. So are known as a group. For an example, group of the friends, kinship groups, class, caste, religious association. These all are the types of different group only. Those who are having the same interest, and they have to achieve the collective aim. So they prepare and they make the groups. Even we discuss about the feature of the social groups. In there two, or what is the feature of the social group? Social group किसको कहते हैं, कैसे बनता है? There are two or more than two person. Obviously, individual can't say कि I am in a group. There must be a two or more than two people. So we can say group of friends, play group. That consciousness of being similar in the same group. Those who are the member of particular group, they are having the same consciousness. उनको पता होता है कि मेरे साथ जो ग्रुप में हैं, they are having the same, and we all are similar in many terms. Say for family का हमारा ग्रुप होता है, family members का. So what is the similarity? We belongs to same family. That is the similarity. If certain friends, आपका जो friends का ग्रुप होगा, तो उसमें similarity क्या होगी? आपके शौक, आपकी आदतें, like dislike एक होगा. So you are in same group. So what is another feature? That the consciousness of being similar. आप उन्हीं के साथ उसी के ग्रुप में जाते हो जिसमें आपको कुछ आपके जैसा लगता है, similarity. Then comes the collective aim or object. ग्रुप का जो होता है, उनके पास होता है collective aims. They are working, they are trying to achieve the common aim. So they work for the common aim. Then social interaction. They are having the social interaction. Then we discuss about the different social group. We talk about the association. What is the association? Association is a social group in which member is in organized way consciously interact with each other. Consciously even we can say in the organized manner. जैसे हमारा फ्रेंड्स का एक ग्रुप होता है तो वहाँ पे हम कोई फॉर्म फिलअप नहीं करते क्या हाँ आज से हम फ्रेंड है, ये करना है ये नहीं करना है, नो. बट एसोसिएशन इज अ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ग्रुप. It's a organized group and consciously interact with each other. हमें हमारी फ्रेंड के साथ कभी भी बात करनी है तो we can talk anytime, we can go anytime to her house. We don't sign any particular forms to become the member of that group. But in association there are certain norms that has to be followed. So this interaction may be differ according to the norms of given in the association. That are certain rules regulation that has to be followed. Then we talk about the class. Class means economical base pay. What we have discussed in the previous lecture. Upper class, middle class and the lower class. So class refer is division of people on the basis of their economic condition. For example, upper class, middle class, lower class. Lower means the poor class, those who are very poor. Even they are having their certain thoughts, practices. Those who are from the upper class, they are having their lifestyle, way of thinking, certain rules, regulation. Even the middle class have their own thoughts, belief of the society. So that what we have discussed. Then caste. ग्रुप वाइज कास्ट का ग्रुप होता है. एज वी नो इंडियन सोसाइटी ड्यूरिंग द वैदिक टाइम फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग हिंदू सोसाइटी इंडियन सोसाइटी वाज क्लियरली डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 कास्ट ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य एंड शूद्र. इन दैट मेन 4 कास्ट देयर आर सब कास्ट. सो ऑलमोस्ट वी नो देयर आर मोर देन 3000 कास्ट आर देयर इन इंडिया टिल डेट. So every caste, so we can say in that group or in that subgroup, they are having their own traditions, own belief, own way of lifestyle. Even they are practicing different rituals, isn't it? So that what we say base, that is also a group of the people. Even we discuss lot about the this group and the practices and about the caste. So today again we are talking next point is social status and role. See, this is also important thing. It's a social status and it's a role, I suppose, and role. Yes. Now you all are familiar with this word. Status, social status and role. Status. What do you understand by status? Tell me girls. Status हम कहाँ पे देखते हैं? In WhatsApp. Status देखते हैं ना हम friends का. Different clips, photos रखते हैं. Not that. But in sociology, what is the social status and role? That is also very important terminology that what we have to understand. If we want to understand sociology very nicely, then we have to go through with this fundamental concepts. This is the concept. Social status is an important feature of the concepts of sociology. See, in today's complex world, most of the interaction happen to consideration of the status of individual. आज हमारी सोसाइटी में हम जो भी करते हैं ना, हमारी एक्टिविटीज, it's based on the social status. If your status is high, if you are belongs to very high-fi family, from very rich family, बड़े डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, इंजीनियर्स, IAS IPS ऑफिसर्स, नेता बड़े, सो उनका स्टेटस, सोशल स्टेटस, वी से दैट they are having a very high status. सो उनके साथ हमारा जो इंटरेक्शन होता है वो टोटली डिफरेंट, isn't it? कोई पैसे वाला व्यक्ति होता है, बहुत हाई-फाई स्टेटस होता है, तो वी इंटरेक्ट विद देम इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर. बट बेचारा जो प्यून होगा, मजदूर होगा, उनके साथ हमारा इंटरेक्शन, बिहेवियर चेंज हो जाता है. सो see what is the social status, what we can say in today's complex world, most of the interaction happen, whatever most of the interaction happens in the consideration of the status of individual, an individual who interacts in the social school or college as a student or teacher does so in the context of his her status and role. हमारा जो जितना स्टेटस होता है उसके हिसाब से हम अपना बिहेव करते हैं. See, when you come to school and when I take your sociology in the presence of you girls, so as a teacher you will respect me, isn't it? आपका बिहेवियर मेरी तरफ कैसा होगा? Respectful, in a respectful manner. When I am dealing with my higher authority, with the management or with principal sir, my behavior, there are certain rules regulation that has to be followed from my side. So our behavior is also changed according to our status. घर में आप लड़कियों के लड़के सब देखते होंगे, अगर बड़ी सिस्टर बड़े भाई बहन होंगे या तो मम्मी डैडी, वो हमें कहेगा अभी आप छोटे हो, ऐसा नहीं करना है. या तो आप बड़ी दीदी है तो आप बोलोगे आप मेरे से छोटे हो, स्पीक प्रॉपर्ली, behave properly. So according to the status of the society, we behave accordingly. See, meaning and definition of social status. What is the meaning of social status? Social status means an individual social position in certain system at a certain time. Certain system पे certain time पे जिसकी social status position क्या है उसको कहते हैं social status. See for very good example. Now you all are in class 11th. You are the part of Shri Gyan Manjari Vidyapit family, isn't it? Now you all are in 11th standard. So आपसे छोटे जितने भी बच्चे हैं नर्सरी से लेके 10th तक, आप उनसे बड़े हैं. So you can't means you might monitor school captain, या तो आप उनको हेल्प करेंगे, गाइड करेंगे, as you are having the higher social status in their school, as you are senior, isn't it? घर पे भी आप स्कूल में यहाँ पे सीनियर है 11th स्टैंडर्ड में, बट अगर आप कॉलेज में जाओगे तो वो आपको क्या गिनेंगे? ओ यू आर अ स्मॉल, अभी तो आप बच्चे हो. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लेस, अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम, योर सोशल स्टेटस भी चेंज होता है. समझ में आ रही है बात? See for an example, in your family, आपसे बड़े कुछ भाई बहन होंगे और आपसे छोटे आपके कजिन्स और भाई बहन होंगे. तो जो छोटे हैं उनके लिए आप बड़े हो, so they will listen you, they will follow you. आपकी बात उनको माननी पड़ेगी, सुननी पड़ेगी. आपको भी उनसे आप प्यार से बात करोगे, पर आपसे जो बड़े होंगे आपको उनकी बात माननी पड़ेगी. So according to the social what we can say social status, it's changed according to the certain time and certain system. It will be different. घर पे आप कितने ही मम्मा डैडी आपको बहुत सारा प्यार करते हैं, पैम्पर करते हैं, पर स्कूल में ऐसा नहीं होता है. When you are there with your friend, so that pampering will not be there with you. वो पैम्परिंग जो घर में करते हैं यहाँ पे स्कूल में नहीं कर सकते. Whatever the relaxation I am getting at my home, at school I can't get it. So according what we can say, individual social position in certain system in a certain time. Social status teach the individual the way of behaving with others. Social status teach the way of behaving with others. जैसे मैंने अभी एग्जाम्पल दिया, अगर आप घर में छोटे हैं तो वो आपको सिखाता है कि आपको बड़े से कैसे बात करनी है. और when you are coming to school, you have to follow certain rules regulation. You have to be in a proper manner. You have to be in a good behavior. You have to show the good behavior with your friends, with your teacher, with other members of our school. So according to your status, society decide your behavior. An individual holds certain status or any type in any group, association, class, caste in the group member expect him or her to behave in accordance with his or her status. आप जो जगह पे जो समय पे हो और आपका जो स्टेटस है वो डिसाइड करेगा, सोसाइटी डिसाइड करती है कि आपको क्या बिहेव करना है. If there is a family function or family gathering at your home, now you all are small, अभी आप बड़े नहीं हो गए, so आपको बड़ों से कैसे बात करनी है, how to behave with your younger one as well as the elder one, that is pre-decided and it is expected from you. आपके पास से expect किया जाता है that you have to behave likewise according to your social status. So for example, when an individual with status of doctor examines and treats the patient, he she playing his role according to the status. Like just now as a teacher I am teaching you, as a student you are sitting and you are learning. So according to the status, according to your social status, you perform your activities as well as performing your duties. So the status and role are closely linked to each other. So with this we can say status and the role. And see what in more or less degrees each status has a certain authority linked to it. अब जब आपको कोई भी स्टेटस होता है तो आपके पास सर्टन ऑथोरिटीज आती है. According to your status, you are getting that authority. See, for example, an individual having status of school principal has many authority, but whereas they can execute also. But while a watchman or peon of a school does not have much authority. Say for I am a teacher, so I am having few authority. But yes, my principal sir or our management trustees have the much more extra, we can say they have the authorities. They can take all kind of decision about the school as they are on the authority position. They are on that position. So they are having, because their status, social status is on, they are on management side. So they can take the decision. So they are the decision maker. See, अभी जैसे मैंने बोला family get together है. So if you are having the high social status, so you can take a decision. In our home, father or grandfather or mother are the head. They consider as the head of the family. उनका decision हमें मानना होता है. Our parents, whatever the decision are taken by our parents, that we have to follow. As they are on the social status, उनका क्या है हमारे से high है. They are enjoying the high status compared to us. So we can say from the viewpoint of attainment, social status are of two types. Now social status, we can say it is of two types. When we talk about the social status, it is of two types. See, दो तरीके से हमें social status मिलता है. We get attainment. See, social status हमें दो तरीके से मिलेगा. If we talk about the social status, we will get social status in a two way. First is a ascribed status. This is a ascribed status. And second one is achieved. See, ascribed status and another is a achieved status. See, ascribed status means what? In ascribed status, we can say the membership of caste, or we can say membership of religion. जो हमें बाय बर्थ मिलता है, इट इज हमारी कोई चॉइस नहीं होती. बट यस, इफ यू आर बिकम टीचर और ग्रुप ऑफ मेंबर ऑफ एनी अदर ग्रुप, मैनेजर, हम जो ऑक्यूपेशन सिलेक्ट टू टाइप्स से हमें मिलता है. नाउ व्हाट इज द एस्क्राइब्ड स्टेटस? सी द स्टेटस ऑब्टेन बाय द बर्थ, जो हमें पैदा होने के साथ ही हमें जो मिल जाता है, that is a ascribed status, and they do not depend on individual desire or preference. Not at all we can say depend on individual desire or preference. इसमें हमारी कोई चॉइस नहीं होती है. ascribed status हमें जो मिलता है that we got from our birth, by birth हमें मिलता है, where we don't have any choice or desire or preference. हमें यहाँ पे कोई चॉइस नहीं है to give any kind of preference. या तो हमें अगर कोई अच्छा लगे, ऐसी हमें कोई चॉइस नहीं होती है. नो वन कैन से दैट आई डोंट वांट टू, मुझे हिंदू के घर में पैदा नहीं होना था, मुझे मुस्लिम के घर में पैदा नहीं होना था, मुझे किसी के घर में पैदा होना था, मुझे गर्ल होके पैदा होना था, मुझे बॉय होके पैदा होना था. दैट इज अ ascribed status. It is we got by birth and it is not depend on individual desire or preference. See for example the congenital status of male or female. लड़की बन के आना है, लड़का बन के आना है. It's an individual automatically get the status of the nation. हमें इंडिया में पैदा होना था, हमें अमेरिका में नहीं पैदा होना था, और एल्स मुझे इंडिया में नहीं पैदा होना था, मुझे तो ब्रिटेन में पैदा होना था. That is not of our choice. It's whatever we are getting by birth. So we can't give our choice or preferences. The family जहाँ पे हम पैदा हुए हैं, that is also not our choice. Caste or religion, जो फैमिली हमारी जहाँ पैदा हुए, कौन सा कास्ट, कौन सा रिलीजन फॉलो करते हैं, that is also not our choice. By birth this status we got, ascribed status. So he or she born, so that is we can say ascribed status. See again what is ascribed status? The status obtained by the birth, पैदा होने के साथ हमें मिला, are known as a ascribed status and they do not depend on individual's desire or preferences. यहाँ पे हमारी कोई चॉइस नहीं होती है. So in a certain group the status of head of the group or in the rural society of the past the status of the headman was obtained hereditary. But yes in the past राजा का बेटा ही राजा बनता था, मंत्री का बेटा मंत्री, हेरिडिटरी था. So thus the status obtained by the birth or hereditary is known as the ascribed status. The position, the status which we got by our birth or by the hereditary. टीचर का बेटा टीचर बन जाता था, उसका बेटा भी कंपलसरी टीचर बनता था, डॉक्टर का बेटा डॉक्टर, उसको भी कंपलसरी डॉक्टर. सो बाय हेरिडिटरी अगर कोई मिलता हेडमैनशिप या तो राजा बन जाता था, दैट इज व्हाट वी सेज एज अ ascribed status. The position, the status what we got by the birth or by the obtained hereditary. Now what is the achieved status? See the status which an individual obtain through the desire, जो हमने हमारी इच्छाओं से चुना है, by our preference, by our desire, with our skills. Skills, education and training is known as achieved status. Achieve करना मतलब कुछ प्राप्त करना, जो हमने इच्छा से, अपनी मेहनत से, अपनी स्किल से हमने उसको प्राप्त किया है, we gain that, हमने उसको लिया है, that is what we say achieved status. We heartily wish that you all girls appear for your UPSC, GPSC exams. We wish कि आप गर्ल्स बड़े होकर कुछ बेहतर नाम करो, भारत का नाम रोशन करो, अपने फैमिली का. We are also putting our best efforts. अब जब आप वो मेहनत करके वो पोजीशन आप ले लोगे, then that is called the achieved status. When you will become IS, IPS officer, collector, commissioner of any particular place, city, then क्योंकि आपने मेहनत की है, that is your wish, that is your desire, and you have that skill, then you achieve that particular status. So that what we say is that is a achieved status. आपने उसको achieve किया है, आपने उसको प्राप्त किया है मेहनत से. For example, anyone can get the status of teacher, doctor, manager or lawyer through the skill. Say for I am a teacher, you are sociology teacher. So हर कोई टीचर नहीं बन सकता. For that you have to study. पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट आपको बीएड करना पड़ेगा, एमएड करना पड़ेगा, उसकी पर्टिकुलर स्टडी है. इफ से फॉर आई एम अ टीचर और मैं बोलूँ मुझे डॉक्टर बन जाना है, तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, स्पेशल स्किल्स होने चाहिए. देन ओनली आई कैन बी अ डॉक्टर. सो वी कैन से एजुकेशनल एंड ट्रेनिंग इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ अचीव स्टेटस, द प्रोसेस ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन मेक्स द इंडिविजुअल मोर सी to become the doctor, manager or the lawyer through the skill and by the educational and training. See, in the context of achieved status, the process of competition makes the individual more active, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपको competition है. Say for you all are the girls of class 11th, और अगर आपको अचीव करना है, टॉपर बनना है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? कंपटीशन होगी. आपके जैसे बहुत सारी गर्ल्स होशियार होगी, यहाँ पे टॉपर्स होगी. सभी का ड्रीम होगा अचीव करने का, टॉपर्स टू बिकम द टॉपर. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर. सो सच एज द फर्स्ट वुमन स्पीकर ऑफ द इंडियन पार्लियामेंट, मीरा कुमार, who belongs to the group which was deprived of equal opportunity, but through the higher education and training she obtained the status of the speaker. There are number of example in our society. With your desire, with your training, with your skill and with your hard work, you can achieve any status, any status. Very good example, Shri Narendra Modi, our respected Prime Minister. नरेंद्र मोदी की जीवन गाथा सभी को पता है. With the hard work, with the skill, today he is a Prime Minister of the country. So if you have that desire, if you want to do something, if you are with a fixed goal, then you can achieve the status. एक छोटे से चाय बेचने वाले लड़के से प्रधानमंत्री तक एक स्टेटस लेना, दुनिया के सबसे पावरफुल इंसानों में नाम शामिल करना, that is not at all easy task. किसी के लिए भी नहीं. Number of examples you can take. बचेंद्री पाल, सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन, एपीजे एंड नंबर ऑफ, हिमा दास, गर्ल एक्सेलेंट, हमारी वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 एथलीट है हिमा दास. शी बिलोंग्स टू वेरी पुअर फैमिली, असम से है. व्हेन शी स्टार्टेड हर रनिंग रेसेस, एथलेटिक्स में वो जब शुरू किया था, इवन शी डोंट हैव द शूज, इवन शी कांट अफोर्ड द शूज, नंगे पैर वो दौड़ती थी. एंड नाउ नाइक जैसी कंपनी हिमा दास के नाम से शूज बनाती है. सो दैट इज द अचीवमेंट. आज हिमा दास को पूरी दुनिया जानती है. दैट इज द अचीव स्टेटस. पर कैसे मिला? विद द हार्ड वर्क, विद द गोल, विद द एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन, विद द डिजायर, विद दैट गोल, एनीवन कैन अचीव द स्टेटस. सो व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग एज सच, in the society social status we are getting with the two ways. That is a ascribed status which we got by the birth. There we don't have any choice, any preferences. We can't do anything by default, what we can say. But yes, achieve status, and we have to focus. You have to focus on this only. Achieve status. So with that focus, you can achieve and you can get a high status in the society. So we can say in most of the society, both the ascribed and the achieved status are found. And when we are talking about this terminology of the social status in society, in every part of the society, you will see this two types of the status. In the sociology, when we are talking about the term social status and the role, so in every society you will see this types of status which affect our society, ascribed status and as well as the achieved status. So I think now you all are clear with the concept what we are talking and what we are discussing about the meaning social status and the role. Every individual, male, female, they have their own status they have to perform in that particular, and the behavior of the individual is based on the social status as well. Even the role what we are playing as such, हमारा जो किरदार है एज अ ब्रदर सिस्टर हस्बैंड वाइफ और इन अदर मैनर इन द सोसाइटी, according to that role, according to the social status, we behave at a certain time at certain place. So that what we consider in the social and social status and in the social role. Now next we will going to discuss in the next lecture, but just I'll give you a few idea. Next term what we are going to discuss is about the social norms. Norms मतलब something that is used typically or the standard, कुछ ऐसी चीज है जिसको हम typically use करते हैं, standard तरीके से हम उसको consider करते हैं. So social norms, see social norms guides the behavior and practices of individual living in a small or a large group. There are certain norms or behavior pre-decided होता है particular society, maybe it is a small group or might be the large group, but there are certain norms and behavior practices which is a pre-decided, and in other words they are appropriate standard of behavior. Appropriate standard of behavior, being as a member of the society, you all are the society में आप social students हैं just now. So there are appropriate standard of behavior that you have to behave in certain manner, in certain way. So even we can say they control the social system and maintain the social structure. And these social norms, because of these social norms, we can say they control the society. These norms control the society and maintain the social structure also. So we will going to discuss about the social norms, meaning of the social norms, even what are the features of the social norms, then social control, last point what we have to discuss, that all we discuss in the next lecture. I think you all are clear what we have discussed in this lecture. Now there should be no confusion, no doubt should be there. Everything is very much clear. Before I ending up this lecture, a thought what I have written on the board is, when I, see here, when I is replaced by we, even illness become wellness. As we are a student of sociology, we are the part of the sociology, society. So there are certain norms, certain expectation is from the society, isn't it? So first thing, क्या हमें learn करना है? If we want to achieve something good, when I is replaced by we, मैं नहीं, हम. मेरी खुद की एक बात नहीं है. I don't want to work only for me, but yes, I will work for my nation, for my society. When I replaced by we, even illness become the wellness. खराब चीज भी अच्छी, wellness, अच्छा कुछ हम कर सकते हैं. But when I replace by we, so try to replace I with we. Again, thank you very much.